Guys, have you ever wished for headphones that look as good as they sound? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into something special. OneOdio, a name you might know from their popular Studio Pro series headphones, have just announced their most premium headphones yet. I'm talking about the Focus A6, and trust me, you'll want to hear about these. So let's get into the details and see what makes these headphones stand out from the rest. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, if you don't know OneOdio, well, they've been around since 2013, focusing on creating professional grade audio equipment. Their over-the-ear headphones are consistently in Amazon's top 3 in the headphone category. So while they might not be as well known as some other brands, they definitely know what they're doing. And these Focus A6 headphones are the latest incarnation of their audiophile offering. Now, I was lucky enough to review the A5s, which I have to say were good. I'll leave a card up if you want to take a look at those. But these Focus A6 headphones have actually surpassed what I felt about the A5s. Now, before we get into it, OneOdio sent me these Focus A6 to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you have the headphones themselves. I'm just going to pop these down for a second, as in the back of this cardboard holder are some instructions. And guys, if you dig a little deeper, you get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Now let's get to the headphones themselves. First off, no carry case here. These are just wrapped in plastic. Now, taking them out of the plastic, and I have to say, they look nice. They're mainly constructed from plastic, but they feel premium, and the ear cushions and the headband are very soft, and the whole package feels really nice. On the right ear cup, you have the Type-C charging port and all the controls, which include volume up and down, the on-off button, the ANC button, which toggles through ANC on, off, and transparency mode. Activating these controls also gives you clear spoken feedback. Now guys, let's talk about the design. The Focus A6 isn't just another pair of headphones, it's a statement piece. Imagine sleek, sculpted lines and a metal faceplate made from aviation grade aluminium. It's not just for show. This design keeps the headphones light at just 240 grams, which is perfect for long listening sessions or when you're on the go. Now guys, you've got two color options. You've got midnight black and ivory blush. Both look great, so it'll be down to your personal preference which ones you choose. Now guys, these are headphones, right? So let's move on to what really matters. The sound. The Focus A6 comes with some serious noise cancelling tech. We're talking about hybrid active noise cancellation that can block up to 48 decibels of outside noise. That's like hitting the mute button on the whole world around you. But how does it work? Well, the Focus A6 uses a combination of feed forward and feed back microphones. There are actually 5 high sensitivity mics working together to detect and cancel out noise. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is pretty impressive stuff. Now, what about when you need to make a call? Well, OneAudio's got you covered there too. The Focus A6 uses AI enhanced call clarity. This means that even if you're in a noisy place like a busy street or a crowded cafe, your voice will come through crystal clear. And guys, the Focus A6 is certified for high-res audio and supports LDAC. Now, if you're not familiar with these terms, basically they mean you're getting top-notch sound quality. Now, us iPhone users still don't get LDAC, but you know what? You Android users rejoice. Also, guys, these headphones use custom 40mm drivers. They deliver deep, controlled bass and clear sound across all frequencies. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or creating content, you're going to hear the difference. And here's where it gets even cooler. The Focus A6 comes with a companion app that lets you customize your listening experience. I mean, boy, what doesn't come with a companion app these days? But for all the features, it makes complete sense. You've got 4 audio modes to choose from: noise cancellation, transparency, wind noise reduction, and normal. Plus, there are 3 EQ presets, and you can even create custom EQ settings of your own. The app lets you update your headphones firmware, and if you're prone to misplacing things like I am, there's a Find My Headphones feature, which is pretty handy, right? Oh, and for all you movie buffs out there, there's a spatial sound toggle. This gives you a cinema-style depth to your audio. It's like having a personal theatre wherever you go. Now, guys, what about connectivity? Well, the Focus A6 uses Bluetooth 6.0 and can connect to 2 devices at once. This means you could be listening to music on your laptop and still take calls on your phone without having to switch devices. The official global release is set for July the 7th at 8 AM Eastern Time. That's Eastern Time in the US. So if you missed the pre-sale, don't worry, you can still get your hands on these with our special Members Day promotion, which offers 20% off the price, making these headphones just $59.99. A steal. So guys, there you have it. The OneOdio Focus A6 wireless active noise cancelling over-the-ear headphones. They have a premium design, top-notch noise cancellation and high quality sound, and all at a price that won't break the bank. Guys, I'll let you know about pricing in other countries, and I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to OneOdio for sending me these very cool headphones to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.